So hello guys, it's the insane story of how I managed to make £50,000 this year by doing match betting with no risk involved and probably about 4 hours a day, not even that some days. Some days you can get all your work done in an hour. I'll explain in this video. So before we get into this video, I'd like to say a massive thank you to Amazon Prime Student for sponsoring this video. Click the link down below in the description to get 6 months free of Amazon Prime, and also when mats run out, you get it half price for your lifetime. That's better than your normal 1 month free, and you normally pay £10 a month, but with Amazon Prime Students, it's about £5 a month, which is a bargain. You also get free audiobooks from Audible, money off textbooks, and 1-day delivery. Why wouldn't you want that? Click the link in the description and sign up. So firstly, let me explain what match betting is. So you back a bet and you lay a bet. Back means I want to back this team to win, and lay means any outcome apart from that team winning, and then you unlock a free bet from a bookmaker. I'll do a bigger video explaining what it really is, but I'll drop a link down below in the description to a couple resources. Basically, you back and lay, which is backing outcome and betting against the outcome, to unlock a free bet. And all of these free bets are accumulated throughout a week. There's loads of offers you can do every day, but I'll do a full video on that soon. So yeah, bet clubs are basically weekly things you do. So one might have bet £10, one might have bet 5 times 10, but basically your qualifying loss, because you're backing laying, you're basically losing 20p for every £10 you put in when you're unlocking a free bet. So you get all this value out, which you can normally extract about 80% of a free bet. So for each tenner you put in, you'll get £7.50 profit back, so you make £17.50 from that. So my favourite bet clubs are Paddy Power, Sky Bet and Coral, because they're so easy to do. You can do them anyway, you don't have to place separate bets, because what I'll talk about in a minute, you're accumulating through the week. You don't have to do these specifically, they just happen. You just get these free bets from just placing other bets throughout your week. So that 18,000 was from simply match betting. These are bet and get games, so it might be bet 10, get 5. So you back and lay 10, and then you back and lay 5, and you can extract about £4.50 profit from that. So really easy to do, and you take 5 minutes. So if you think you might be working a normal job for £8 an hour, you can do £4 in 5 minutes with this. So that's how simple and easy it is. This also includes 2-up matches. So with 2-up, if your team goes 2-up and they go on to either lose or draw, you get paid out of both sides, so you effectively double your money. If you put £50 on, you'd normally end up with a bit more than £100, so you'd make £50 profit. And also, a great way of making money I've recently got into in the past 3 months are extra places. So if one bookmaker is saying we offer 4 places, in exchange of saying we place 3 places, if your horse comes 4th place, you get paid out for both, a bit like 2-up. I've realised halfway through this video, if you don't do match betting, you probably won't know what it is, but I'll do a full video on how match betting works and what my favourite offers are recently. And the rest of this, about £22,000, is from casino offers. Casino offers aren't as risky as they sound. It's almost as risk-free as match betting, with a little bit more variance and risk in it, but these are offers that are on every day, and you can hammer them every single day and just complete them all. Like with match betting, there might be more offers towards the weekend when bigger games are on, but you can just smash out these casino reload offers every day. Make about £100 a day just alone from that. So when you first start off match betting, there's about £5,000 of sign-up offers you can do, and these are just you sign up to a bookmaker, you place your qualifying bet, and then you get a free bet out of it. It's that simple and easy. So when I first started out, about 2 years ago now, I've done this a year full time, I couldn't recommend Odds Monkey enough. I'll drop a link down below. It's not an affiliate link, I don't get anything from this, but click down below, check it out. And basically it explains how to do your bets, how to lay them. And there's loads of free resources on there. You don't actually have to pay to get anything on there to begin with. I think there's 5 or 6 you can begin with, which is £100 profit. But if you want to pay, it's £15 a month. And that's 5k of sign-up offers, which you can bang out in about a week, to be fair. So imagine getting paid 5k in a week to begin with. And then you get your reload offers, which come through about every day. And then there's different ones for different bookmakers. So once you've signed up for sign-up offers, go for reload offers. Do them every day, and that'll boost your income right up. You'll be making easy 1k a month from just doing 2 hours a day. I cannot recommend match betting enough. So yes, there is the alternative end of match betting. This is when you place so many bets on a bookmaker, you can get gubbed, they call it, which is when they basically close your promotions. But this has only happened in 2 years to 4 bookmakers out of more than 100 for me. So it's not a major issue in the UK at the moment, but if you're American based or even in Ireland, yeah, that can be an issue towards the end. But it's not that bad in the UK, just keep smashing the offers. With casinos, you barely even get gubbed anymore. When it first came out, you could get gubbed, but now I haven't had a single promotional restriction on any casino, which is great. So if you want to get started match betting without watching my main video, which I'm going to make soon, click the link in the description and take you to Odds Monkey. That is an amazing start. Just bang through the sign-up offers, have a look around the forums that are on there. If you want to get in casino, there's also Team Casino, which is about released 6 months ago, and that is amazing. Even I use that, as I have some experience now, but sometimes some offers pop up, I want to jump on it, but I'm not 100% sure of the terms and conditions. It lays it out really nicely. So So hopefully you benefited from my insight of how I made £50,000 this year from match betting. Just for a couple simple offers, keep grinding it out every day, and it's really easy to understand and get the grip of. And a massive thank you to Amazon Prime Student for sponsoring this video. Click the link down below in the description to get 6 months free on Amazon Prime, which is a lot better compared to a 1 month free on Amazon Prime for normal people. That's great. Click the link. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll catch you soon with another one.